March 26th, Nike Air Max Day. The Nike Air Max, created and designed by Tinker himself. A shoe exposed and showed air in the sole. It was almost like there was a hole in the sole. Ha, kind of rhymed, but for real, how are you gonna wear a shoe exposing air like it's gonna pop if you land on it hard enough? There's no way it could be done, but it was done. Now ranging with different type of models of Air Max sneakers. Here I got a pair of Nike Air Max 90s that are absolute beaters. So let's get creative and see what I could bring out in the shoe. So these bad boys are all ready to go. They're all cleaned up. They were beaters. Now they're looking 10 times better. Now the thing with these is I gotta prep the surface in order to customize it, paint it. But my idea for these is to make it like a blue, black, and white fragment colorway. Now I'm gonna be using acetone in order to prep it. Very simple. This is just nail polish remover. Same exact thing. It's $1 from the Dollar Tree store. Now we got black, we got white, we got blue. That's all we need. So let's get to customizing. They're all finished now. They came out really cool. Now as you can see, they came out pretty nice, pretty clean, you know. We just got a little bit, I'm joking. Those aren't the finished ones. The finished ones look a lot better than that, but this is what we started off with. So that being said, we got all the grossness coming off of the edge right there. On the edge right there, we got stains pretty much all over the place. I pretty much scrubbed it down, cleaned it all up. I used black paint, white paint, and blue paint. Kind of threw all the paint in there, got it all ready and nice. Now with the toe box, I did use some Too Soft with the paint, but this is what they're gonna look like. And boom, just like that, this is what they look like. They came out really nice, very clean, I like it. Now the bottom, you got the white, you got the black midsole, white Nike sign, blue mesh on the front and the back. You also got the little custom black and white back tab. I think these came out really nice, 10 times better than what they looked like before. And also all the white leather I pretty much repainted. Now the sole, I didn't have to repaint just because the scrubber, I just pretty much scrubbed all the stains right off. So it was really nice. It was super simple, super easy, but these are what I would call, you know, the Fragment Air Max 90s for Air Max Day. Boom, just like that. If you want to help support the channel, become a member today. Also, join my shoemaking course, link down in the description. But thanks for watching and have a great day.